In this video, you will learn how to install apps directly to your SD card on Android devices using the Google Play Store. First things first, swipe down from the top of your screen. This will reveal your notification panel. Next, tap on the gear icon, located at the top right corner. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll all the way down until you reach an option labeled Developer Options. If this option isn't visible, it means you need to enable developer options on your device first. Don't worry, there's a link in the description below that leads to a step-by-step video on how to do just that. Assuming developer options are now enabled, tap on it to open. In this section, look for a search button at the top right corner of your screen. Type in Force Allow Apps on External and hit Search. Select this option from the search results. What you want to do next is toggle on the switch next to it. This setting allows any app installed from the Play Store to be eligible for installation directly onto your SD card instead of taking up space in internal storage. To ensure everything works smoothly after making these changes, it's always a good idea to restart your device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.